In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Notion with Google Drive. This integration can significantly enhance your productivity by seamlessly linking these two powerful tools. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together. First things first, you'll want to open your Notion application and sign in if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if it's new to you. Now, direct your attention to the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Within this sidebar, you will find an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a section where you can manage various accounts and integrations associated with Notion. Next, within the Settings area, seek out the section called Connections, or depending on your interface, My Connections. It's here that you'll find the ability to link Notion with various third-party applications. Now, we're specifically looking for Google Drive, so go ahead and find Google Drive from the list of available services. When you locate Google Drive, you'll see a connection button. Simply click Connect. This action will prompt a new window to open, asking you to sign in to your Google account. Make sure to enter your credentials for your Google account that hosts the files you wish to integrate with Notion. If you're already signed into your Google account on your browser, this step might occur automatically. But if not, don't worry, just sign in as usual. After signing in, you'll encounter a page requesting permission to allow Notion to access certain information and functionalities within your Google Drive. This is standard procedure for integrations like this. It's important to review these permissions so you're comfortable with what access you're granting and, of course, to proceed by clicking Allow. Once you've allowed the necessary permissions, simply return to Notion. Now you should see that your Google Drive is successfully linked with your Notion account, giving you a seamless bridge between the two. This integration enables you to easily access your Google Drive files directly from Notion, enhancing your workflow and productivity. Before we wrap up, ensure you test and explore some of the functionalities this connection provides. Try embedding files from Google Drive into your Notion pages, and observe how easy it is to manage documents now. And there you have it. Following these steps, you've successfully integrated Notion with Google Drive, which can help streamline numerous tasks whether you're working solo or collaborating with the team. Keep exploring both tools to get the most out of this integration. Thanks for following along, and happy organizing with Notion and Google Drive.